All right, we made it to Blizzard Beach, which you can see. And what's nice about it, it's not super hot today, so ain't a lot of people here. Here's your fun fact for today at Blizzard Beach. They opened on April 1st, 1995, which is April Fool's Day. And that's not me joking. That's a true thing. Look it up on Google. Google it. Oh, sick, bro. I remember when I was young. Do you see this car right here? That's not just a car. That's a family vehicle. And that's my baby. She's beautiful. She's showing her age, but you know what? She's looking great these days. Soon you walk in, you come over here, they have a doghouse. So if you're being naughty and your wife wants to put you in the doghouse, they got one. They also got some bomb tropical music as you walk in. I'm feeling it.
Everybody else is already canceled.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a good one. All right.
So, I think.
No, thank you. Just gonna text my mom in the meantime. Ask her how the weather is back in Ohio. Just kidding. All right, I think I'm done. And as soon as I walk in, I see some snowmen and the snowman family. This guy's literally leaking out of his carrot. It's pretty bad, it's pretty disturbing, but you know what? I'm gonna take a selfie with him anyway. Because you never know, it's memories, right? Fix this, get off there. Okay. It's me and the snowman family. That one's cute. A little one. It's called Button. That's f***ing adorable. Like, what? And right over here is the park map. You guys know me, I won't be using that. We guess around here. We go exploring. I never use no park maps. Oh, restrooms over there. Cool. Got a little store if you need some flip-flops. Finding Nemo buckets. Hey, they got you. They also got a sick Disney Channel hit playing right behind me. I mean, come on. Come on. Showers, just in case you need a shower. Filthy animals. Then you come over here. Frosty, Freddy's Refreshments. They got you. They got all the drinks. Oh my God, I got this Deadpool Backstreet Boys song playing right now. Come on. I'm sorry guys, had to do that. All right, let's head in. Okay, this is like cute as shit. They literally named this Tykes Peak. Get it? Tykes. Because it's a kids area, guys. I mean, these names, I'll tell you what, they're on it with these names. I'm gonna show you guys Tykes Peak. They got a little sandbox. Come over here. Tykes Peak. We got a Little splash pad. Okay, I see it. Looks like it's themed as themed Frozen. I'm digging it. Look at that. Pretty sick. Shooting up everywhere. I'll tell you what, if I was a kid, I'd be right in there. Olaf over there. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Got a little slide over here. Hell yeah. I'm digging it. I'll go face first on that, but I'm too big. Walk across the bridge. They have the lazy river down here. You know what I like about Disney's lazy rivers? They have these floats that you can sit in. I'll show you. I'll show you here in a few when I get in there. It's pretty sick. I will say, you gotta stop over here and grab you a churro sundae. This is easily one of the best things you'll put in your mouth at a water park. So good. You love churros, you love caramel, you love sundaes. This is it. Right there. I promise you'll thank me later. It's just that good. I got it last time. I probably... And sorry guys, one of the staff members asked me about my camera, so I stopped and we had a little conversation. But on to the next scene. Look at this. Wow. This is all for kids. This is insane. Walk over here, they have slides. Man, I would love this. I would love this as a kid. I would love it right now. What is this, like a little American Ninja wear? This is really, oh my God. About his trip. Look at that ski lift, guys. You know we'll definitely be doing that here in a little bit. This is awesome. Actually, you know what's funny? This place is called Blizzard Beach, right? We just had a crazy storm. Like a cold front coming through, and it actually started snowing on the beach. It's just like Disney knew before time. It's like they knew that we was going to get snow here in Florida. It's pretty crazy. And another fun fact while I'm over here, the slide all the way up there, right behind me, it's 120 feet tall. It's the tallest and the fastest water slide in the world. That's your fun fact. That's 2 fun facts for you today. Come over here, guys. They got a drink station. Get you some hot dogs. You want a big hot dog? Go right here. Wait in line. Get on the ski lift. Have an amazing day. Look at this booth. It's really shaped like a ice truck. Pretty cool. They got pretzels and glazed almonds. It's an interesting combo right there. Walk over here. They got a big area where you can get a suntan if you want that. That's pretty cool. And this is the lazy river. Not lazy river, what am I saying? And this is the wave pool. Look at this. Pretty cool. Not very busy today, so that's always nice. I need to find me a spot, and I'm gonna be getting in the lazy river and the wave pool. So, and I'll probably take you guys on some slides. So if you will, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment below. Got a cotton candy and funnel cake place. Oh my goodness. White chocolate. That's what they used to call me in school. Just kidding. This place is beautiful. And they even got a jaw freeze. You gotta stop and get the jaw freeze. Frozen lemonade, get that. They're all good. I don't know which one tastes the best. They're just all delicious. This is super nice. Look how empty though. It's funny because it's only like 70 degrees right now. It seems like it's not 90. Everyone just runs. And that was the water slide I was talking about, guys. All the way up there. Biggest in the world. 120 feet tall. Yeah. Also got another bar area. Get you some drinks there. Look at this view. Come out here. The water's like a little bit cold. It's funny because there's not very many people in it. But yeah, you know me. I'm about to get in it. But honestly, guys, it's not that bad at all. So, but you know, people come here on vacation and expect it to be hot all the time. We had a cold front, so right now it's like perfect weather, but the water's kind of cold. So look at all these empty chairs, guys. Look at this. Pretty crazy. This is usually all packed. All right, we're getting in the wave pool. Honestly, it's not bad. I don't know why people are freaking out. Maybe I'm just used to it being a little colder, but yeah, not bad at all, guys. If this was Typhoon Lagoon, I probably wouldn't have my camera right now in the water because it's not waterproof. Because the wave is like way up here. When it comes in, it will blast you. Honestly, it will knock your shorts off. And that's not me joking because it happened to me. I was actually live on TikTok and I lost my shorts. It's kind of embarrassing. And I will say, guys, it's so funny because right now there's like a lot of cheerleaders and gymnasts, volleyball players and everything here. You've been seeing like buses pulling Typhoon Lagoon. Typhoon Lagoon is closed because Disney don't have both water parks open during the winter or summer. Typhoon Lagoon is open during the summer and Blizzard Beach is open during the winter. So, and I just splashed myself in the face. So yeah, just want to let you guys know that because a lot of people think Typhoon Lagoon's open during the winter and it's not. I think it opens in March or April. But yeah, I think I'm going to head over and get into the Lazy River right now. Then I might do a couple slides, show you guys around the park a little bit, go up on top of the ski lift and show you there. This is so nice. There's like no one here. I feel like I got the whole place to myself. I'm trying to find the Lazy River. I know it's close. I've only been here a couple times, so I know we're close. I think we go this way. But yeah, I think you come up here and you make a right. All right, guys, we found it. This is what I was talking about. See those chairs, the chair floats? That's where it's at. Only Disney got those. I wish Universal would get them, honestly. I need to find me one. It's funny though, because every single time, everyone takes those ones. So they're kind of hard to get. I wish they would just have like all those. Depends what time of year you guys come here. But yeah, usually this whole entire Lazy River is full of people. But right now, this is first week of February. Hardly anyone, so February might be a good time. But yeah. Going underneath a bridge right now. And you definitely can tell it's been cold in Florida. The flowers, all of them are dying. Usually this is so tropical. Like I said, get these floats. They're the better ones. But if you come during when it's super packed, you're probably not gonna get one, honestly. What I do, I set in one, then I'll put my feet, turn this around, put my feet on this one. Then I'll come flying down through here. Just kidding, you don't go that fast. But if it was fast, that would be dangerous. But it is fun. It's nice. I do like Typhoon Lagoon, Lazy River better, and Volcano Base. Both of them are better, but this is still very nice. And if you're a taller guy or person, you could be a tall girl too. This is only 2'6". So be careful. It only comes up to my knee. I'm 6'5" and it's kind of shallow, I ain't gonna lie. So just be careful if you end up falling off a tube. I've seen it happen. People crack their legs on the bottom. But yeah. Just me throwing that out there. And they got this nice big waterfall. Look at this. Pretty cool. But I just feel like this lazy river compared to Typhoon Lagoon and Volcano Bay, it's not as detailed. I think them, I don't know, they have a couple things in this one, but yeah, like this is like one of the bigger like waterfalls in this, but they don't really have too much. Like honestly, the place is very themed though. Just don't eat the white snow, you don't want to do that. But it's still very nice. I like this big cave. It's like a, what is it, like a mine cave or something? Pretty cool. Still very nice. And it seems like this place don't get as packed as other places. So, yeah. There's probably hardly probably not much of a wait time in any of the slides right now, so that's nice. Look at all these floats, guys. They're not even using, but when it gets busy, I promise you, they're using them. They got so much good food here. I don't know if I'll get any today, to be honest. I'm trying to lean down for summer. But yeah, it's so hard because so much good food here at Disney. And I know you do a lot of walking, but a lot of sweets, a lot of desserts. So if you're a foodie, you're gonna love Orlando. And be ready to climb some stairs, so you gotta go way up there, guys. Definitely get your steps in here. Okay guys, I think we're gonna get on the purple slope, which is this tube ride right here. Whoa! You come flying. That's insane. Let's go and do that real quick. Alright guys, we just got off the purple slope ride. It was super fun. I think we're gonna head over, probably gonna go up on the ski lift. Go up there and go down that slide. Looks really fun, so yeah, take you guys with me. Let's head on up on the ski lift. It's kind of weird saying that here in Florida, you know, but it's so cool. It's getting a little bit more busier right now. Still not bad though. And Joffrey sounds amazing. I'm gonna have to grab one of those lemonades, honestly, or those donuts. Joffrey's big donuts are very good too. Alrighty, I think the ski lift's right over here. This is what we're going to do. Show you guys. I'll walk up these stairs. Might try to film me doing that. Not sure if I can take this camera on there or not, so I'll have to see. But if I do, that's why I got my stuff back on, because I'm gonna get up on the ski lift. I brought my camera, I got my bag and everything, so I'm gonna take you up there and show you around. Then we'll see if we can do it or not. If so, I'll let you know. But check out this view. Insane. Wow. That is way up there. Here we go, guys. About to head on this. It's kind of nice. No line at all. Usually this is so packed.
Let's go. Yeah.
We are going up. Pretty crazy. But I will say, guys, you can't bring your bag, anything with you. Like, they're super strict here at Disney's Blizzard Beach, so it's making it very hard for me to like film a good video for you guys. Sorry for that. I've been trying, but it's been running into all kinds of issues. Like, I don't know, they don't even want you to really like film here or anything. It's pretty crazy. I had actually a mom complain about me filming, and I had a couple employees come up to me and ask me if they could see my footage and everything. So it's pretty crazy. Like, but I just want to let you know that I'm trying my best to put out a video. Also made one more video at Blizzard Beach. You guys can find it on my YouTube channel. But yeah, all in all, it's pretty good. I don't know if I'll film here anymore, but look at this view. See if we can get anyone going down the slide. I think on my last video I didn't. So, cross our fingers. Maybe we will this time. Like done. Pretty cool view. We're going way up here. I don't know if we'll catch anybody, guys. It's taking a little bit of time. Probably not. I don't think we have good luck anymore. Can't see the top of it anymore, so. But yeah, take you guys up here and show you around. You can see like the Disney parks from up here, so it's pretty cool. I think like Hollywood Studios, and I don't know if you can see Epcot or not. Or you can just climb the stairs, honestly. Just like they're doing. I'll probably take the stairs back down. Good. All right. Made it up here, guys. This is the Summit Plummet, if you want to do that. Helicopter up there. Come around here. Right over here, so. Oh, actually, this is the line to the other slide. My bad. It's over here. Okay, this is where we're going. It's nice, not as windy today. But yeah, look at this view. Pretty crazy. They have a race slide there. If you look over here, in the distance, you can see Hollywood Tower of Terror. And way over there, that's the hot air balloon at Disney Springs. So that's pretty cool. Watch these people race. How tall this slide is. Imagine being all the way up there, guys, when you come here, and then dropping all the way down. All right, let's watch and see who wins down this slide. This race slide all the way down to the bottom. See who wins. Here they go. I need to do this sometime. Looks fun. Who do you think's gonna win? Black, green bikini, or purple over there? Here they go. Oh. Oh, looks like purple. Then black, then green bikini. Honestly, guys, I'm probably gonna take the stairs on the way down. If you're scared of heights, don't do these stairs. Look at that, way down there. Pretty crazy. Apparently they're not doing the lift on the way down, so you got to take the stairs. The stairs, I said scares. I mean, it will scare you. All right, guys, we're back down from the ski lift. Probably going to head out here soon, honestly. It's getting kind of busy, and it's like I said, it's very hard to film here, so yeah. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it from Disney's Blizzard Beach today. I hope you enjoyed it. It could have been a little bit more entertaining, but I tried my best to go into slides and show you guys around. So if you will, give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I don't have this problem at Typhoon Lagoon or Universal Volcano Bay. So really don't know what the issue is here. But yeah, this is the second time them tell me about filming, so I don't know. This is probably my last Blizzard Beach video, but who knows. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you will, subscribe to the channel. Now it's time to go back to reality. Thanks for watching, guys.